Hello, and welcome to our team's presentation. Our group is comprised of Stephanie, Caitlin, Alyssa, and myself, Danielle. The focus of our design project was creating a mini training course for new cashiers. The goal of this training is to help new cashiers, particularly high school age students starting their first job, develop effective customer service and communication skills. Through this training, new employees would learn the basics of customer service, from greeting customers to learning how to deal with angry ones. They would also learn how to process voids and exchanges, handle cash, and protect themselves in the instance of potential danger in the workplace. Our project connects to the course outcomes because the final digital media product serves as a learning tool. The design thinking process was applied throughout the entirety of building out the training course. And in addition to this, we considered elements of visual design like balance and harmony while designing the course itself. We were also sure to implement interactive elements and ensured that our design was accessible as well.
On the home page of our design, we start with our goal for the training and how we are going to execute it. When you scroll down, there are 3 sections: how to provide excellent customer service, cashier duties, and how to keep yourself and customers safe. Following those, there is our conclusion, which is a quiz to complete after going through the 3 modules. When clicking on how to provide excellent customer service module, you will come to a page that explains how to provide good customer service and what that should look like, from greeting the customer to dealing with angry customers. Along with those, we have some interactive parts for the participants to help show them how to give good customer service. After that, we will move on to cashier duties. When coming to that page, you will learn about the proper way to handle cash, how to process voids and exchanges, and how to promote sales and deals within the store. There's an interactive part where participants will watch a YouTube video on how to properly deal with a return, and then they will participate and practice for themselves. In the last module, they will do how to keep yourself and customers safe. On that module, you will learn how to protect yourself as a cashier and how to identify quick change artists and scammers. There's an activity on what to do and what not to do if you're being robbed, and a video on how to stay as calm as possible if you are being robbed. When finished with this module and the other 2 modules, participants will move on to the quiz, where there are 6 questions that need to be answered. After they have done the quiz, participants will have completed our training.
Some of the key features of our training module are the functional use of the product, the appearance, and the quality of our training module. We wanted to create a training module that was easy to use and understand for new cashiers, while also adding interactive elements to ensure that the information that they were learning was easily retained no matter what their learning style may be. When creating this product, we wanted to make sure that everyone using the training module would leave with a positive and authentic experience and agree with those solutions we provided. We added text as well as a simulation within within the text to ensure that the information provided also gave examples of what was acceptable and unacceptable to say and do. We also added videos, flashcards, quotes, and a quiz at the end to wrap up some of the key points we had in the module. We wanted to ensure that the product was as accessible as possible, which is why we added the text as well as audio and interactive components. We also wanted to keep the color and text simple so it's easy to read and simple to follow from one lesson to the next, and the individual wasn't clicking aimlessly around the screen to figure out where to go. We were constantly trying to find the balance between content and form, because if one part fails, the entire product would fail, causing the module to not convey the information that we were trying to communicate.
Our design process consists in the 5 steps we discovered in class: emphasize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. For emphasize, the purpose of this module is to give new cashiers a more in-depth understanding of customer service and communication skills. They will have a better understanding of how to navigate through some difficult situations with customers and have the tools to create more positive outcome and experiences. Define. New cashiers may need to support on how to handle customer service situations. They also need to know how to properly handle a variety of situations with excellent communication skills to ensure things do not escalate. After a positive customer service experience, 89% of customers say they are more likely to return and make another purchase. Ideate. We will make sure it is accessible as possible to as many individuals, and we will incorporate subtitles, audio and visual components, symbols, indicators, and reminders. Prototype. Once we have the training module finished, we will conduct a peer review to confirm that the module is easy to navigate and understand. Along with that, we will allow for participants to test their knowledge on the information gained from the training module. We hope that by the end of the prototype phase, we will have a better understanding of any problems that may arise with the module, and we will be able to make any necessary adjustments. We want to ensure that the information will be easy to follow and retain for all individuals going through the training. Finally, test. In this final stage of planning, we will test the module, hopefully on as many different participants as possible, to ensure that it is easily understood and the information given is clear, ethical, diverse, and compassionate.